Hisense Portable Air Conditioners provide year-round climate control with multiple operating modes including cooling, heating, dehumidifying, and fan functions. To activate heating mode, locate the mode button on either your control panel or remote control. Press the mode button to cycle through the available options until heating mode is selected. Once heating mode is active, adjust your desired target temperature using the plus and minus buttons. The display will show your selected temperature setting. You can also adjust the fan speed by pressing the fan button to cycle through different airflow settings. This helps optimize comfort and heating distribution throughout your space. For optimal heating efficiency, ensure your unit is properly installed with the window kit. The kit is designed to fit windows between 18 and 50 inches wide and provides proper ventilation for effective operation. When your Hisense portable air conditioner isn't heating properly, there are several troubleshooting steps you can take to resolve common issues. First, verify that your unit is actually set to heating mode and that the target temperature is set correctly. Check the display to confirm these settings. If the settings appear correct but heating isn't working, try resetting the unit completely. You can also adjust the fan speed, as different speeds may improve heating performance. In heating mode, your unit may produce condensate that needs to be drained. If you see an E5 error code on the display, this indicates the water reservoir is full and must be emptied immediately. For proper heating operation, you need to disconnect the air exhaust hose and hose inlet from your portable air conditioner. This is different from cooling mode, where the hose must be connected. If you've tried all these troubleshooting steps and your unit still isn't heating properly, it's time to contact Hisense customer support for professional assistance.